In this range, you'll usually see three boards mentioned: Gigabyte's b650 AORUS Elite AXV2, ASRock's b650 M Pro RS Wi-Fi, and sometimes ASRock's b650 PG Lightning for people trying to spend as little as possible. The first thing to understand is that the 7800 X3D is efficient. It doesn't stress VRMs the way higher core CPUs do. But that doesn't mean any cheap board is fine. You still want stable power delivery, decent cooling around the socket, and memory support that doesn't turn EXPO into a gamble. The ASRock b650 PG Lightning is the most basic option here. It runs the CPU, supports DDR5, and gets you on AM5. If your build is simple and you don't care about extras, it can work. The downside is that it's clearly a stripped-down board. Fewer features, less flexibility, and less margin if you plan to add hardware later. The ASRock b650 M Pro RS Wi-Fi is more practical if you're building in a smaller case. Being micro ATX makes it easier to fit into compact mid-towers, and it still covers the basics well for a gaming system. You get enough M2 support, built-in Wi-Fi, and power delivery that's more than enough for a 7800 X3D at stock settings. The trade-off is fewer expansion slots and slightly more limited rear I/O compared to full ATX boards. The board that stands out in this tier is the Gigabyte b650 AORUS Elite AXV2. It's priced like a budget board, but it doesn't feel cut down in the areas that matter. You get modern networking, a sensible layout, multiple M2 slots, and VRM cooling that's more than sufficient for this CPU. For a typical gaming build with one GPU and a few drives, it covers everything without feeling compromised. That's why the budget pick that makes the most sense for the 7800 X3D is the Gigabyte b650 AORUS Elite AXV2. It's the board you choose when you want to save money without sacrificing stability or future flexibility. It handles DDR5 EXPO well on current BIOS versions, supports common build configurations without workarounds, and fits cleanly into most ATX cases. The downsides are reasonable to accept at this level. The BIOS experience isn't as refined as higher-end MSI or Asus boards, and you don't get premium extras like high-end audio or advanced convenience features. But for a budget gaming build, those aren't deal-breakers. If you're building in a smaller case, the budget alternative that makes more sense is the ASRock b650 M Pro RS Wi-Fi. And if your priority is the lowest possible cost on a full-size board, the b650 PG Lightning is the fallback as long as you understand what you're giving up.